well, notably through Wales, up into Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland, with that rain now pushing eastwards through the Midlands and covering much of northern England, and some pretty spiky rain there too. There could still be the odd crack of thunder during the evening. As you can see on the pressure chart, hardly any isobars, so it's all very weak and floppy, but things do change later on tomorrow as we see this weather system coming in from the Atlantic. That will introduce some rather wet and windy weather to western parts during Thursday evening. Now, sunshine's a little bit difficult to come by at the moment. There's plenty in the south and many places will stay fine, but we've got these showers lying through Wales, the Midlands, up into much of northern England, some quite wet weather for a time, but it's moving all the while, although in northern and western Scotland staying a bit dreary for several hours yet. That rain petering out then, turning rather misty in many parts, and still the odd pocket of drizzle perhaps on western coasts and hills through the night, but it'll be a pretty warm night really, quite a close night in the southeast, around about 8 to 10 degrees on the whole, I think. Well, tomorrow, of course, for the cricket fraternity, it is the start of the Test series at Trent Bridge. Well, it could be better, it could be worse, but 18 degrees isn't bad. There'll be a bit of sunshine coming through and just a 20% chance of showers during tomorrow. But plenty of showers are likely to develop again in the eastern part of the country tomorrow. I think we're going to find the wettest and the windiest weather, though, will turn up in the west by tomorrow evening, so Northern Ireland turning decidedly wet by about this time tomorrow. A rather grey and misty start in many parts of the country, a bit of brightness here and there, and then most places will brighten up during the morning, a little bit of sunshine here and there too. Then some showers developing, especially in eastern England through the afternoon, but not likely to be as frequent or as heavy as today. And there's that wet weather turning up in the far west by the end of tomorrow afternoon. Not as warm tomorrow in the east, about 20, possibly 21 degrees around the London area. Generally speaking, about 14 to 17 as you head further west and north. But the wind freshening all the time. In fact, the wind will be quite a feature of the weather as we head towards the weekend. This low pressure planted there up in northern Scotland. So it does mean to say on Friday that much of western and northern Scotland, northern